Okay, done.
Initiating.
It is Saturday and I just came home from a feast with my grandparents. We haven't done that in a very long time, so that was definitely something. And now, let's check the madness. I already prepared everything, but I didn't check. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I'm so curious. Okay, not too bad. Getting close to 1,000 comments. Damn, son. And now, let's train! Are you kidding me? What? Yo. Rip. No. No. It's frozen. Oh my god. Okay, done. That way home was gnarly. I saw 2 accidents because all of a sudden everything just started to freeze. But you know, I was chill. So yeah, I'm fine. But anyways, enough progress for today. Smash that like button like these 2 cars. Like I smashed this double full. That's way more positive. Bang the bell like crap. Check the recent news on ChrisViral.com. And remember, one C-vlog a day keeps something away. Please help me out in the comments. I need to find better rhymes. I will see you tomorrow.